no, stop. It's not hot. I'm getting hot.
I do not know her name. Is it Keisha? Is it Tisha? Maybe Lisa? Or Teresa? It could be Tia. Maybe L.I.A.
What is up, guys? It's my first day vlogging or whatever. So if I'm shit at it, just like don't even mind me. But like today I am going to Toronto Premium Outlets. Yeah, me and like my new bestie. Well, not like she's my only friend, so like I just call her my bestie. We're going to Toronto Premium Outlets to like hand out resumes for her as well, and hopefully we'll be working at the same place, which we probably will because God is an amazing God. But yeah, I'll be back when I'm in the car or when I'm with. This door never locks. I'm not even in the mood for this. Please lock. Okay, exactly, not locking, whatever. Someone will notice. Here's my little car. About to go in it. Look how dirty. Well, you can't see inside, but it's bad. So here she is. This is kind of weird holding a camera outside, but whatever. I'll get used to it. Look at her. She's just great. Okay. She's just great. Face her.
I'm allergic to tomatoes. Like, yes. Can you put a decent amount, please? Sorry? Can you put a decent amount? Like, put enough, like, you know?
She's so annoying.
Well, I don't know what it looks like on the bread.
Yeah, just make the food still.
That's why you're behind the counter? Have some respect.
Yeah.
Turn the camera on.
That's insane. This lady has bare attitude.
What's your drink?
Yeah, we're getting drink. I always get a combo.
Oh, you want? I want it in the bottle.
Oh no. I just turned into a mixer when I come to this machine. You don't even know. This is my favorite part of Subway. Making my drink or whatever. Just even excited. Cause I'm hungry as hell. Yeah.
Something like that. You mix that?
I'll even make it for you.
So they like some that you know, at first, okay, I'm gonna get like Sprite at first. You know that thing that Sprite gives you when you're thirsty?
But let me tell you, this what I just made is better. Just taste it. So just doing a
Fraud.
what did I just do? Anyways, we're at the mall now. Let me show you. And we're just about to go get my bitch a job.
Our team, we work together.
Of course.
So we are at Toronto Premium Outlets.
So annoying.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean.
I'm showing you this for a reason. So we are just leaving now because we already got success, you know? We came here for what we got.
God is so great.
What we came here for is exactly what we got. So we're just like, you guys should already know how horrible I am at vlogging, and yesterday I completely forgot about you guys. But to make up for the time, me and my girl that you saw yesterday, we're gonna do the spicy ramen noodle challenge. So I'm about to leave the house right now. We're gonna head to Walmart to go pick up like a few things, and then we are going to do the spicy noodle challenge at my house when we get back. So you already know I care a lot about you guys, and I am dedicated to this thing, and I am going to be a A1 vlogger soon. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys like everything in Walmart, and like, you know, I'm gonna just do better at this. I'm just gonna do better, okay? Okay. So this is what I'm looking like. It's regular. We're just going to Walmart, so like, I kind of did my face a bit just for the sake of the video, but like, It's not even. Yeah, it's not even like. It's not even.
No personal.
Yeah, I'm even just gonna come now, Sean.
Hold on 1 second. Give me like 2 minutes. Let's put my clothes on. I don't want you like waiting.
Yeah, because you like to do that stuff, and like I even forgot to like page you on that, but I just allowed you because I knew it was your mom.
Yeah, I know. It's always her. Even this time it's her. It's like how am I doing something and then
You're hearing
10 million other things.
Yeah. Okay. Well, just call me and tell me, or you want to just stay on the phone? Yeah, just stay on the phone. Here she is. My cutie pie. She's so pretty, bro. Pretty team only. So we're in Walmart. We made it inside. It's fucking raining, bro. Just see me and my friend and just copy. It's crazy.
Better than the
Yeah, that looks good. All purpose?
mine. It's better than this one that I bought.
88.
This is 88. This is 100.
Yeah, I get this.
Okay.
I should. I already have some.
Yeah, you already have some. You're fine.
White people conditioners.
Fine. I even use today to wash my hair. I use body wash. You didn't even know. Body wash. No, it's a creamy one. It wasn't like the
Girl's crazy.
creamy one. It literally looks like this, like body wash.
Touchable softness for dry and brittle. I need this. How much is this though? $3.97. Walmart's doing well. The word else I tell you I needed juice boxes and something else. Noodles.
That's it?
Yeah, that's all. Okay.
One that looks hot, like.
No, but where's the spicy ramen? Like, how does it even look?
I think honestly, hold on, just let them pass. I think that we could have like went to
Can't go nowhere else in a. Well, if it just. We have to ask somebody. That's what it is. We have to ask because it's not in this aisle.
my boy.
Yeah, let's go find him still. We're gonna go find that beautiful guy and ask him where the spicy ramen noodles are.
We can ask him for more than that.
We don't work at any McDonald's anymore. It's so happy to say, like.
Thank you. So guys, it's raining outside.
Sucks. Like, I hate that shit.
And we have so many errands to run. So first we had to go to Walmart to get some stuff and then the dollar store, and then we figured out that Walmart didn't have spicy ramen noodles to do the challenge.
So now we're going to Ample,
which is so far away from this plaza, past our house, everything, and we have to travel.
but we're doing it only for you guys. But we're just twins. Like, take it in. If you think we're cute, give the video a thumbs up.
I want to make sure that it's really
Okay,
hot.
we're in Ample, and we found the hot like ramen noodle.
I really feel like this is just it.
Yeah, I feel like is this the same thing?
It's the same thing.
It is probably the same thing.
Yeah, Samyang.
Samyang, and then this says, what does it say on it?
Samyang.
Hot. It says hot chicken flavor ramen. Yeah, it's ramen noodles.
Yeah, but this picture just looks more intense than this.
Yeah,
but I'm pretty sure it's
but
the
it's the same thing.
Maybe we could just take some of the spices inside. I'll literally open this and take out the spice to have more spice. I'm even the type to do that.
It has.
Just take out the spice. Can we do that?
I'm scared too, but because these usually come with a lot of spice though.
Really? Okay. If anything else, I know your mom. Every household has pepper. Yeah.
Bro, this girl doesn't understand that these noodles are hot already.
No,
like
no,
she's trying to make it
has
hotter.
to be hot to where you can't breathe. Like, you're supposed to die.
So we just got the noodles and we're set. She looks like that because, bro, it's raining and we're not in no raining attire, but
rain coats, no nothing.
yeah, you just plug into the aux.
Okay.
But yeah, so we got the noodles and we're going home now to go make them. Okay, bye.
Okay, so this is L.I.A putting in. So that's the chicken stuff. Whoa, why does it look like that?
Yeah, it looks weird. Right?
It's like tofu.
This looks like it's gonna like hurt my hand if I look.
Oh my god, I can smell the spice. Okay, you have to show them though. They'll be able to see. Make sure that she's putting every single thing in there.
Ew, it's hot. I don't like.
Oh my god. Make sure you put everything in there.
What's up, you guys? Today we are doing the spicy ramen noodle challenge. Okay, what am I telling you guys about? You guys already know. But we're doing the spicy ramen noodle challenge, and I think this girl added some like Jamaican pepper to it. Like, this isn't hot enough, but this is my best friend Chanel.
Yeah, so we're gonna die. She drained all the water out of it. I'm not even sure if that's what you're supposed to do.
You're supposed to. It's the noodles.
But there's no, you can't just start like that. You have to have like a base. You can't just start like that. We need like a whole countdown, like a whole everything. Okay. Or a timer. Should we add spices?
Okay, we're gonna do it. No, we're gonna. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna say who can finish it in 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Who ate more in 5 minutes? The person that has less doesn't get to eat their apple, because we have an apple to eat after. The person that doesn't.
No, that can't even be me.
No.
Okay, hold on.
The person that doesn't eat more.
So you're gonna do the timer?
Yeah.
Okay.
For 20 minutes.
Okay, so it's 7:24 now. 7:25. 5 minutes.
Okay. Oh, should I put 20? It's 5 minutes?
Well, yeah, 5.
Okay.
Fuck.
Okay, ready?
My stomach doesn't even feel ready.
I don't want to do this.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Set.
Hold on, you can't.
Go. It's not even too bad. It's not too bad.
Wait till it kicks in. Oh, we have milk too. Remember?
I don't like it. Oh, okay. All right. Stop, no, wait. Babes, wait.
Talk to the hand.
Stop. Bitch. Stop, please. Please stop.
Delicioso. I'll even come so and just go like that to my head.
No, stop. It's not hot. I'm getting hot. I'm getting hot.
I haven't drank milk yet, guys.
Let's go. Stop, Chanel. I can't do this shit. Stop, Chanel.
No! I win!
I can't do it. I'm hot. But my face is about to sweat off.
Oh. Where's the fucking timer?
She likes spicy food. It's not fair. It's not even fair, bro.
I win!
This girl literally eats spicy food.
Bro!
I don't even want it. I'm not. I lost my appetite.
No apple for you.
I'm eating that apple. I don't give a fuck.
Ew, the milk makes it taste weird.
I need that milk. Let me have your milk. Oh, my lips hurt. Don't even do
No
it.
apple for you.
No, deadass, you like this. This is not fair. No, if you guys think she cheated because she literally will eat pepper and cucumbers and that's a snack for her, she cheated. That's wrong.
But eat noodles that are that hot, so it doesn't. It's
My
still the
mouth
same
hurts.
thing. Mine does too. Come.
My mouth. No, I need like a. Bro, my mouth is hurting. Lord, anyways, my mouth hurts, and I don't know if you guys can like tell, but if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and like if you want to see more of my friend, too bad, you're gonna see her regardless. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel because
that's what you should do.
Cause I'm just
awesome and cute, just the baddest.
Get you a friend like her. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment, all that good stuff. Okay? Mwah.